Wow, I'm Pastor Sima Gorigwede, together with my wife, Pastor Gladys. We are so excited today because today is a very special day, a day where a rare gift was given to the human race. Your birthday, Mom, outshines all the other 364 days of the year because you are a carrier of God's attributes and we are beneficiaries of your love. You are love personified. And we would like to say,
Happy birthday, Prophetess Emmanuel Makandi. We
love you, Mom.
I just want to say happy birthday. Congratulations on your big day. As you celebrate your big day, Mama, I just want to tell you that you see, when God created you, He had all specifications to shape up as a woman and a mother. He definitely took His time because there was this special character that has to come and influence the lives of the people. Mama, you are a woman that is a favorite to God's heart. You are so soft when somebody looks at you, but made strong. As you think, reason and negotiate, you really amaze men and women out there. You have a strength that amazes men indeed, as you handle trouble and carry a heavy burden. You hold hope, happiness, love, and opinions. Your smile is a cure to our lives. By mere looking at you as you smile, our lives, our sicknesses become healed. As I look at you, I see somebody that really fights for what she believes in. You definitely stand against all injustices. You are a woman that doesn't take no for an answer. As you give yourself wholly, committedly so to your family and the biggest family of UFIC. Your love is unconditional. We are so proud to have you as part of our lives, Ma. Be blessed. Enjoy your day. Let me conclude by saying congratulations once again on your big day.
Hi, love.
Hi, sweet.
Remember, this is September.
Oh, the best month of our beautiful mom.
You know what? She has been, and she is, and will ever be a gift from heaven for us, for this family. She has done so many things for us.
Yes, she provides for us food and even aid, fees for our children.
You know, she is always interceding for us.
Yes, all the battles that we have won, they all have their fingerprints on them. She fights for us like
Everything that we have, everything that we owe it to our father and mother. That's for me, Pastor Magazile, my wife, and the rest of the family. We just want to say,
Happy birthday, Mom! You are special to us. We appreciate your love. Love you. I love you.
Shalom, shalom. My name is Hobson Nyakuba, and with me here is my beautiful wife, Caroline Nyakuba. Mama Ruth Makandiwa, we are continually thankful for the gift of a mother that we have in you. Not only do we learn from the words that you say, but your life in itself is a lesson to us. With love, you intercede for us without ceasing. And so we celebrate this wonderful, excellent day you were born in this physical realm. You are the best mother ever.
Mom, you are the epitome of God's love to us. I wonder what our lives would be if it wasn't for you. We thank God for you, Mom, and we love you. So we say, Happy birthday, Mama. We love you so much.
On this special day, a rare and precious gift was given unto us, Mom Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa, a mother full of love and compassion. We appreciate you, Mom, for coming into our lives to change us spiritually and physically. You changed our marriages. You taught us how to pray. You taught us how to take care of our children. Mom, we thank you and we wish you a happy birthday.
Mom, you are such a phenomenal mother, a rare gift to mankind, a prayer that we would not even have asked. You came as an answer, and we thank God for you. We thank God for your lives. We are a testimony of who you are. We have received everything that we are from your hand, and we want to thank you, Mom, for the love that you have taught us to share. Mama, you are the best. May you live long. May your God, the God that you taught us, give you more years to enjoy, give you more years of peace, give you more years to celebrate. We, as your children, are very grateful to have you. Happy birthday, Mom. Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. Enjoy your day.
Shalom to you, our mother. Happy birthday to you. We thank God for your life. We thank God for giving you to us. We are so glad and we cherish today. This is your birthday. We are so grateful. We are so joyful in our spirits. We enjoy celebrating your day because God has given you to us, and it's a great favor to us as a family. You are a role model to us. You are a mother. You give us life, and we thank God for you being in our lives.
To us, you are God-given. You are forever cherished. We love you, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. We love you.